Take it slow, but it's not typical. He already knows that my love is fire. His heart was a stone, but then his hands rolled. I turned him to gold.
Okay, so as my first time, video is kind of slow. Well, I'm using my phone, which is a Samsung Galaxy Prime, so the quality of the picture is, the video is poor, but okay. So I won't be contouring today because the foundation I used was darker than my skin tone, so by the time I place the highlight, well, the concealer to highlight my face, it will kind of have a contour finish. As you can see, my nose, the contour is not that dark or detailed, but it's there. But I don't have cheekbones. I have a fat face, well, not really fat, but fat cheeks, so you won't really notice it. But other than that, the highlighting process and the foundation process is finished. I already did my eyebrows, so time to bake. Setting my face with Sacha, wonder what the camera focus, Sacha Buttercup powder, well, setting powder. As I am dark skin, I would use the Buttercup, but light skin, red, light skin, fair, light skin girls, white, oh my god, what sense does that make? Anyhow, they would use the white powder. I don't know what that powder is called, but it's the same setting powder, but just the white version. So you'll know your skin tone to use whether the Buttercup or the white powder. Probably later down when I get better at this, I'll probably buy the white powder to show you guys. So let's get to the baking. So you place it mostly where you highlighted already. So all the areas you place your concealer, you place your setting powder.
Why self life? We got London on the track. Nigga, horses don't stop, they keep going. Yeah, you can lose your
Cheekbone contour you can place at the end of your sideburn. You place sponge and gel. So there you go.